Hello, everyone. I am Deborah. Welcome. This evening, I am going to make a crab rangoon dip, and I'm also going to accompany that with some fried tortilla chips, you guys. So let's not waste any time. Let's go ahead and get right into this recipe. So I'm going to start with the softened cream cheese, and all of the ingredients along with the measurements, you guys, are on the screen. I hope everyone is having a fabulous evening, and I know after I make this, ours is definitely going to get better. All right, and to this, we're going to add some garlic, some green onions, some salt to taste, and then some crab meat, and this is canned. And let's go ahead and combine all of this. And then once this is combined, you guys, we are going to add some mozzarella cheese. All right, everyone. All of these ingredients are well combined. So now at this point, I am going to put in some of this mozzarella cheese. So half of this is going to go right into this mixture, and then the other half is going to be sprinkled on top before we bake it. And our oven has been preheated to 350 degrees. So that's what you're hearing in the background. All right, you guys, so just that easy. This is ready. So now I am going to put it into a baking dish. All right, and this is what I'm going to be using this evening. And I went ahead and sprayed it with some cooking spray because we're dealing with cheese here, so. Go ahead and spread this around. All right, you guys. So now at this point, what I'm going to do is I am going to top this with the rest of this cheese. All right. This is ready for the oven. The only thing that we need to do first is to cover it with some foil, and then I am going to let this bake for 20 minutes. Check on it, just make sure that everything is melting nicely, and if it is, I will take the foil off of it, and then I will continue to bake it until everything is nice and bubbly and golden brown. All right, you guys, here we have it. A hot, creamy, cheesy crab dip. Doesn't that look delicious, you guys? And as you can see right over here, I've got my keto-friendly tortilla chips. And then in this bowl, I've got some chips for my husband because he's not keto, you guys. So I made some specially for him. So here we have it. Only thing that we need to do at this point, almost forgot, is to sprinkle give it an extra layer of color and flavor. Some green onions on this. And there we have it. So please do give this video a thumbs up, you guys, and please do let everyone know that you did in fact try this recipe, and let them know just how delicious this is. And remember to subscribe to my channel if you've not yet done so. And you guys remember to remain safe, healthy, and encouraged. It is a great day, and you continue to make your own kind of special with delicious, easy, homemade, low-carb recipes such as this. And until we meet again, you guys, keep growing, keep striving, keep pushing those boundaries, and I will see you all real soon on my next Fit Fab 50. Bon appetit.